Having trouble showing your online status on Messenger? Don't worry, this video will help you quickly enable active status and make your Messenger experience more connected and convenient. Open the Messenger app. Once the app is launched, make sure you are signed in to the correct account where you want to enable active status. After opening Messenger, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a list of different options and settings related to your account. Next, find and tap on the settings gear icon at the top of the menu page. The settings section allows you to manage different features and customize your Messenger preferences. Now, scroll through the available options until you find active status. Tap on this option to access the activity settings. On the active status page, you will see an option called Show when you're active. Tap the toggle button next to it to switch the feature on. When the switch is enabled, your active status will become visible to your Messenger contacts. That's all. You have successfully turned on active status on Messenger. Now your friends can easily know when you are available, making it easier to start chats and stay connected. Remember, you can change this setting anytime. If you want more privacy in the future, simply return to the same active status menu and turn the option off. Messenger gives you complete control over your online visibility, so you can choose when others can see your activity.